Oh wow, guys. To be honest, I'm very impressed with the UE Wonderboom sound. Welcome to Unbox the Box, guys, and today's video will be unboxing and reviewing Ultimate Ears Wonderboom Bluetooth speaker. We'll talk about things like the design of the Wonderboom, performance, and also the battery life. And we'll probably do a sound check so that way you have an idea what this Bluetooth speaker actually sounds like. Let's not waste any more time and let's go ahead and do this unboxing. Look at the cool way this box opens up. Wow. It's like a big face and a mouth that eats the speaker. Ah, there we go. So there's a speaker itself, guys. And it's attached to this thing. Doesn't want to move. The quality feels very well and it's pretty hefty, I would say. Let's see what else is there in the box. If there is anything. This might be it, guys. Although, let's not give up hope. And hopefully try to see if we can find at least a USB cable or something. There we go. It does come with a USB cable. And it's this bright yellow USB cable that hopefully will help us with the charging of this speaker. Let's talk about the design now, guys. UE Wonderboom looks like a chubby soda can. Despite its funny design, UE Wonderboom projects sound from every direction, allowing everyone the same listening experience, no matter where you are. While many Bluetooth speakers advertise having 360 degree sound, many sound best at a specific angle, unlike the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom. The UE Wonderboom is still IPX7 rated, which means you can submerge the speaker up to a meter of water for up to 30 minutes. A waterproof Wonderboom speaker also floats, which means you won't have to dive in after it should fall into your pool or something. Since the Wonderboom is waterproof, all of its controls are sealed by rubberized membrane, which can stand up to the abuse. On top of the speaker, you'll find buttons for power, Wonderboom pairing, and playback. The playback control button is actually the entire UE logo at the top. On the front of the UE Wonderboom speaker, you'll find mesh fabric surrounding the speaker buttons for controlling volume. The speaker comes in 6 different colors to suit different tastes. The only port on a UE Wonderboom is the micro USB port, which is covered by a waterproof flap. UE Wonderboom has a very short elastic loop. This makes mounting speaker on things more of a challenge. However, it's still a bonus, which allows you to carry your Wonderboom in your hand. Now we're gonna talk about UE Wonderboom instructions, or if you want to call it UE Wonderboom manual. So over here on the top you have a Bluetooth button. Over here you have a power on off button. To get started with your Ultimate Ears Wonderboom, press the power button located on the top of your speaker. When powered on, UE Wonderboom will automatically reconnect to the last mobile device that it was connected. And Ultimate Ears Wonderboom will automatically turn itself off after 15 minutes of inactivity to save the battery life. Ultimate Ears Wonderboom pairing. To pair Ultimate Ears Wonderboom with your mobile device, press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hear the tone. Then go to the Bluetooth settings for your mobile device and select UE Wonderboom from the list. Once you hear that sound, that means your Wonderboom is connected to your mobile device. Just play to begin the streaming. You can control the volume from your mobile device or directly from UE Wonderboom by pressing the plus or minus button. When it comes to the control of the music, you can control the music directly from your UE Wonderboom without picking up your phone. To pause or play the music, simply press the Ultimate Ears button located on the top of the speaker. And press it again to stop playing. Double press the button will skip to the next track. So a lot of you might be wondering, how do I check how much battery charge does my UE Wonderboom still has left? So in order to check the battery level of your Ultimate Ears Wonderboom, you have to press both the volume plus and minus buttons simultaneously. And depending on the level of sound, high, medium, or low, you will be able to tell, well, where does your Wonderboom stand with the battery charge. So UE Wonderboom has a lot of useful functions like multi-host, and this is when UE Wonderboom can simultaneously connect with up to 2 Bluetooth mobile devices. You can simply pair and connect each mobile device to Ultimate Ears Wonderboom, and then you can take turns playing music from each device. Also, a function like double up. That's when you can connect 2 UE Wonderbooms together for bigger sound. So what you have to do is long press the Ultimate Ears button on both of the speakers at the same time until you hear the pairing tone. Once pairing succeeded, you will hear another tone and music playing on both of the speakers. To charge your Ultimate Ears Wonderboom, plug in the included USB cable into the micro USB port located inside the weather door. Just like this. Charging using the USB cable provided and a standard USB port, it will take approximately 30 minutes for 5 hours. To recharge your Ultimate Ears speaker to 100%, it will take approximately an hour. Wonderboom can also be charged with most USB chargers, and times will be faster depending on the output of the USB charger used. But remember guys, never charge your Ultimate Ears Wonderboom with a wet, contaminated micro USB connector. This may cause excessive heat or melting and may lead to fire damage or personal injury. Always charge your speaker with a clean, dry micro USB connector. If you were wondering if you could reset your UE Wonderboom, yes, you can reset your Ultimate Ears Wonderboom back to its default or out-of-box settings. And here's how. So you have to turn on your UE Wonderboom and then press and hold the volume down button and the power button together for about 10-15 seconds. Once you hear the tone, that means the reset has been completed and your UE Wonderboom will turn off. When you turn it on again, it will be ready to pair. Here comes the most exciting part of the video. Let's do the UE Wonderboom sound test. So I'll put the music on and hopefully guys, the mic can transfer exactly the way the UE Wonder sounds for you. So let's get started. Oh wow, guys. To be honest, I'm very impressed with the UE Wonderboom sound. I think it sounds excellent. Sound is warm, favoring mids and mid bass. High sounds pretty well as well. Maybe a little uncontrolled at higher volumes. I think Ultimate Ears has a great bass as well. It might not be class leading. There are speakers that have better bass, but that doesn't mean that the bass isn't good for the speaker of this size. It's great for listening outside, I think, or by the pool. And that's really the type of speaker that you need. When it comes to the battery, Ultimate Ears battery life is about average, I would say, lasting about 10 hours at moderate listening levels. Knock off couple hours if you're listening to the speaker cranked up. But honestly, it felt much longer than 10 hours somehow to me. It felt that it would last for a week even when I forgot to charge it after the day at the pool or in the park of moderate listening. In my opinion, Ultimate Ears Wonderboom has the best balance of waterproofing, sound, battery life for the money that you pay for this speaker. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video. If you have watched up until this point, you're honestly my favorite person in the world and you're like a superhero. I want to apologize for my old camera going out of the focus sometimes in the videos, but that doesn't mean I will stop making videos for you guys. And remember, never be afraid to start doing what you love just because you don't have equipment or possibility. The most important thing is to start doing what you love no matter what and keep moving forward. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button to be notified for the future content.